Well, it is Jack's Home and Patio Show week, and one of the main attractions is a visit from Dave and Jenny Mars of HGTV's Fixers to Fabulous, and they are here in the studio with us right now. And it's great to see you all. Thank you for traveling to come to Jacksonville. You
Absolutely.
picked quite a weekend to do
And
it.
we're here. That's what we're here.
Yes. We've got races, we've got the show, home show, we've got all kinds of things going on.
Yeah.
All kinds of great things.
Yes.
And at the home show, what can people expect from you all?
I mean, I think we're going to be on stage. We're going to share a little bit of just our story. We will answer questions. Anybody who has renovation questions.
That's right.
Or just any home-related questions. And then we'll do a meet and greet. So it'll just be a fun time to connect with people. I think this, for us, the home shows are really fun because we get to talk to people who watch the show and really get to chat about what they love and what they have going on. So.
And there's always new things at these home shows.
Yeah,
that as a builder, every year it seems like we when we go to these shows that we see new products, new innovations that weren't there last year. Our industry is changing so quickly, and it's pretty cool. Like we're more efficiency, more just cooler products. So.
And I know, Dave, that one of your platforms is to get more people in the trades moving forward. So, you know, when you see these new innovations, you have to think, okay, we need some new people to come in and help us continue to grow.
That's exactly right. I mean, the housing industry right now is still growing like crazy, especially here in Florida. My goodness. So to get people involved in, you know, just to come experience different, like new heating and cooling and plumbing and electrical. And Jenny gets Jenny's like, it's so boring, but it's not.
No, it's not boring. It's just, you get him to talk about heat, air pumps and things. He gets real excited.
Yeah, well, the people who watch the show know that this is the dynamic.
Yeah.
So let me ask you, because we don't have all the time in the world, but how many hours go into creating that 1 hour of TV time, which is really more like 45 minutes, if I'm right, right?
43 minutes.
So how many hours per project?
So about 120 hours of filming goes into every 43-minute episode. So there's so much awful of us that they need that much to get 43 minutes of good.
I mean,
I doubt that. I highly doubt that.
But we really are renovating these homes, so typically, the time frames depend on the size of the project, but it can be anywhere from 8 weeks to, we've had them like 6 months. So it is a faster time frame than a normal renovation because of the show, but they're following along all of that time, so and then have to condense it all to
drama.
3 minutes.
Little drama.
Right.
Well, I tell you, just that alone shows you that there are things you don't know that are going on behind the scenes, which is why you don't want to miss these guys at the Home and Patio Show, because they will answer all of those questions.
Exactly.
Right?
Tell all the secrets.
Tell all the secrets. Okay, so the schedule of events and all the ticket info is available at JacksonvilleSpringHomeshow.com. Safe travels to you both. Thank you so much for dropping by Jacksonville for a fun, very action-packed weekend.
Yes.
We're going to be right back.